Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Biometrics and Security, tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and choose Continue. Remember to keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Over here, you can switch on or off Stay on Lock Screen Until Swipe feature by tapping on the switcher over here and saving new changes by clicking on Done. Now you can also adjust all of those face recognition settings however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen features, like faster recognition. And now, if I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!